Also my tail light was a little loose. I got a little man gonna help me out. All that squeaking and stuff. She got my tail light a little bit loose. This one right here. See? Put in there, turn right. Left loose, right tight. Make sure you watch what you're doing. There you go. Right. Turn right. Left loose, right tight. Let me see. Okay, good job. Do a little tighter. Always remember, left loose, right tight. Let me see. Okay, appreciate it. All right. All right, done deal. Thank you.
The thrill of victory comes with the agony of defeat. This life ain't for everybody. You don't know what it cost me.
What up, y'all? What up, y'all? By me fam. Back with another video. Hope y'all had a happy 4th. Everything, stuff like that. Been a minute. But yeah, we back at it again. You know what I'm saying? With the truck. Back at it with the truck. So I found out another angle of where that squeaking coming from. It wasn't just the belt. You know, I know I changed that. So you listen back here. I don't know if y'all can hear that. So I'm gonna end up tightening up that belt, but there's something inside here. I believe it's this thing right here, one of the straps to hold down the bed. Cause this one firm. This firm right here, it don't even move. But this one kind of loose. And I believe that's what's causing that squeaky noise every time I'm in idle. Pretty much here, I'm coming to like a stop. Let me see. Like there's that little cord get loose. That strap I meant. There you go. Right up in there. But when I go like this, it stop. So I'm gonna put some, I got some WD-40. I got my screws. We're gonna try to put a little WD-40 on it. Oh, this stuff right here, one or the other, and see what that do. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm gonna tighten up the screws. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on right quick. Just give me a minute. We're gonna see if that helps or that works. All right. All right, y'all. Put a little WD-40 on it. Rode it around for a little bit, just so it can cause some little friction. See if it trunk bed get a little unloose. But I don't hear nothing right now. Let me open and shut it. I sprayed it all right there, as you can see. It's a little wet all through there and down there. Like I said, I don't hear nothing right now. We're gonna see. Give it a few minutes. No, it seemed to be gone. Sometimes it be the little stuff you need to check up on. You know what I'm saying? That's why it's good to like drive your stuff once or twice a week, start it up. You know what I'm saying? See what's going on. Little stuff. Gotta know what's going on, man. Yeah, I don't hear nothing no more. Hopefully that did it right there. Putting the WD-40 on it. I think I'm gonna spray a little bit of this on here, just for the hell of it. But right now, like I said, I don't hear nothing. next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get ready to change these speakers. These 4x6s, one right there, and the one in the corner, and this one over here. That's the next thing on the list. Change the 4x6s. That's the next thing. Shit been doing good, you know what I'm saying? No leaks, nothing like that. Yeah, I don't hear nothing no more. Yeah, hopefully that did it. But shoot, y'all, that was just a little quick video. Like I said, I wanted to tend to that, you know what I'm saying? See what was going on. Because I was starting to get on my nerves a little bit. You know what I'm saying, before we tackle this audio system. Of course, y'all know, y'all seen the video. We got the kill mat done. You know what I'm saying? So that's done. So like I said, moving on to the next step is changing all these interior speakers. The door, I mean the ones behind the head, the two behind the head, over here, and over there. And you got the two on the dash. So we ready to do that. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna have some sound. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna take the ones out in the dash. Definitely the ones in the actually the ones by my ear on both sides, they cool. But it's the ones on the dash, they starting to crackle and pop. So I might as well just change out full. So that's what we're gonna do. We got the kicker, 4x6s. I'll put a little short in my videos. So y'all see the short, see what type of kicker we working with. But that's the next video, you know what I'm saying? Coming soon. So I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Y'all keep grinding, keep doing what y'all gotta do. The by any means way. Alright, we gone.